Hello everyone, here's a long awaited update. Still alive. Just cleaning up the tractors today and moving them to a new spot because that over 100-year-old tree that was there fell down, as you can see, and been negligent to post pictures or videos. But the Ford just recently got painted and redone. Not perfect by no means, but a lot better than it was. Body was taken off, hood repainted, rewired a little bit. New amp meter, if you remember, and that blue little LED I'm gonna hook up for the light circuit. My camera's set up for nature photography, so it's on manual. The focus doesn't go quick like it used to. As you can see, everything works the way it should. And yes, we were going to paint white stripes on it to make it Ford tractor correct, but Dad had a weird issue with the paint bubbled up on the white, so we for now we skipped the white. We'll let it cure real good, and I let the Ford run out of gas, so I'm doing that with the Suburban. There she is. There. Yep. Haven't started it in a while and it fired right up as usual. There we go. So let her warmed up. You can see the yard's all beat up from the skid steer from the neighbor picking up that big wood and moving it. It almost took out my 180 because 180 was about there and that tree fell right through here. Almost got the shed a little bit. Stopped about right around here. As you can see, the shed's gone. It's getting there. With his hernia in my back, things don't get done much. Garbage. A lot of this is going to go to the scrap. But now, figure we'll move I just moved custom fired up. Smelled like it had a little bit of a mouse nest, but wish I could find the right carburetor for it, but as of now you got to start it with choke clean just to pop it. Then she'll run all day. We were keeping the tractors here, but stupid pine sap crap all over them. So get rid of that. Oh, nice. That was a good friggin' squirrel or somebody found it. Probably what I smell in the custom. Pressure washed and waxed the John Deere and the Bolins. And the other day I buffed and detailed my LX. Don't look bad. But the only tractor we got is that Craftsman, which the paver made a deal with Daddy. Resealed the driveways for the tractor and a couple bucks, so he'll get it eventually, I guess. This rate, I'll never know when he's gonna pick it up. spinning on all the sears as I was trying to put it in neutral with the shifter in the middle. Ow. But the phew. So back don't like getting on the Suburban, that Ford, or the Custom much anymore. But it is what it is. Yeah, now the yard's more, it's freed up here. Yeah, don't look too bad. Got a lot left to do, but yeah, I kind of like them up there. But yeah, guys, basically tractors were, call us semi-retired would be a best way to say it. If I find one decent for I'm going to be the far with. The majority is not much. Well, still got my yard critters. Come on, Lucas. There you go. As you can see. Let that grow and smoke scrape. Maybe do something over there. Alright, gentlemen. So there's a long-awaited update. I had a few of you guys writing me wondering if I'm dead. Not yet. Someday, but not now. Oh shit. That's Scott's, so been here since a year, I think. Never had a tractor that long. Alright, guys, well, good talking to you. Hopefully I'll make another video soon.